Yo, what's up, guys? Good afternoon to you all. So today is currently the 15th of August 2025, and I'll be doing a breakdown for gold. So before we get right into the video, this is my channel, my new YouTube channel, Denny Forex, as you guys know. So this channel I'll be teaching you guys everything about Forex. On the guiding you guys, telling you guys the con and the pros, the key things on how to enter and exit the trade, the key points you need to succeed in this industry. Because so far the industry is not easy, but with God grace and with the right knowledge, you will surely excel and succeed in this industry. So without much talk, you guys will get to know better about this channel. While you like and subscribe to this channel, just don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So without much talk, let's get right to the video. So before we dive right in the video, let's check whether there's anything happening today on the news. So this is Forex Factory. So as you all know, this is Forex Factory. So you guys should, okay, there's actually no news today, no bad news. I have only in the morning. So let's just get right into the video. So this is so right now you guys are inside my screen. Inside my screen. This is my analysis, but I'll be counseling also. I will start again to reanalyze it. Let's check. So let me cancel the analysis. So I'll start analyzing from the beginning. So yeah, my screen is clear. So currently price markets gold have been on a run, on a very high run. I don't know where it's running to. I don't know where gold is actually going to, but gold is just running up. Golds are currently at 3,400. So if you look at one week, this is currently our highest point. This point here, it's currently our highest point. So we're going to mark it out. That is about 3,400, close to 500. That's our highest point where a gold moved to before reversing down. So we are going to go back to 1 day because we will not be doing our analysis on the 1 week, because we are not going to see all the clear things, key zones. So this is right. So this is actually where price have been on the range. This zone. I'm going to mark it where so that okay, this is the point where price have given it 3 touches, and with the 3 touches price have come to that zone. It have continually rejected it. So let's look for our next key zones. That is our resistance, or strong resistance that have not yet been made support. So let's mark out. I just saw a zone around here. And these are our resistance. So we're using this to as our current resistance and support. And I also see a zone here, but it just be our point of interest. These zones here. So we'll just use as a point of interest. So from what we see here, let's go back to 4 hours. So we'll see what price is currently playing out. Price have been for me, for what I'm seeing, price is still in a downtrend in 4 hours because price have not broken this recent high. This high is high here. If price change character, break this recent high and break this one, first break is this one, then break this one. Okay, we'll see where price have done change of structure, and price have done change of structure. So we are now in a bullish one, but price is currently in a selling range. So people will be looking for more of sales than buys. Buys will come, but the buying level will not be that strong than this fucking becomes my screen. So we're looking for buys more. Sorry for that. Looking for sales more. More than buys. So let's just. But if you see a buy, we'll enter for buys. So now, from what you see here, from what I'm seeing from these candlestick confirmations, price will be coming to this zone, but it might not reach it today because this about if it's about 200 pips that we're looking at now. And let's draw our trend line to see whether the price have broken it. This is actually a counter trend line. If you guys understand the falling knife strategy well, so we're looking at something fishy here, something very fishy here, something very fishy here. Something very fishy here. Okay, let's scale down to 1 hour. We're looking at something very fishy here. So from what 1 hour is showing us here, I've not yet gotten our clear confirmations to enter for the buy, but I'm also seeing a sell, a drop. But when price comes back to this blue mark I just marked out here, this blue zone I just marked out here right now, price will surely react from it. So let's just hold on. Let me go back to 1 day. Let me see something. Okay. Okay, so okay, so what actually seeing here? Hmm, this market is fishy. That is fishy. I don't know what you guys think. What market will do? What price will do around this zone? But this market is looking fishy for a sell. I'm really seeing a sell momentum. So momentum, but it will not be that strong. Hmm. So okay, I'm still watching out for the trade. I'm still watching out for the trade. So maybe if well let me just show you guys what I'm expecting. If price as price is heading back to this zone, if price breaks it, then we wait for a retest. Then maybe push up to this zone first. But if price does not break it, but if price reaches the zone, then react, then come back, then maybe react, then maybe push it down to this side or this zone. It's a too biased thing, but what I'll be going for, I'll be looking at sales more, sales, sales more. Let me scale down to 5 minutes. Sales. I'll enter my MT5 now so that I will be able to take the trade once it's ready once it's done, because I'm seeing something right now. Enter my MT5. Let me set my to so we'll just be holding. So we'll just be holding. None of you, nobody should enter a trade now. Just keep on watching. So while we're waiting for our trade, let me just be telling you guys like basics about forex. Is that first, before you embark into this forex journey, you got to know that there's no going back. Because this is a lifetime success, lifetime achievement that your generation will also eat from your wealth. So, and this is not just a skill, it's also a career and a job. People take it as just forex is just a normal skill, forex is just a normal like thing you do for a hobby and stuff. But no, that's wrong. That's wrong. Forex is also a handwork. It's a skill. Handwork is also a skill. It's an occupation. It's a job. It's a career. It's a job that pays you more than any other job in the world. There's no other career that gives you financial freedom like how Forex gives you. So you guys should always understand that Forex is something that will give you financial freedom in 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 a lavish way. Like you will get to the point that you will be tired of enjoying yourself. But so just let's just but that's the thing about Forex. Forex gives you that comfort you dreams of. You dream of. It can buy you whatever you want. This trade is going. This trade is going very very funny. This trade is going very funny. So let's just keep on waiting. So before while we are still waiting for the trade, so as I was saying, Forex is not just only about trading pairs. You're trading your capital. It's not about trading your. It's an investment you're doing. You're placing an investment that you generate. You'll be generating from it every time you do enter the market. That is how Forex is. And Forex, you got if you're not able to get a right knowledge from Forex will eat your money. You'll just be in stagnant loss in Forex. Just be in stagnation in this Forex industry. You just be in stagnation in this Forex industry. So okay, we'll sell now. Meantime, I currently want to flip this $100. Let me see how it goes. Let me see how it goes. Let me see how it goes. We just entered for the sell. So let's see how it goes, whether it goes well. Or whether let's just see how it goes. So first, okay, not bad. So first, we just like the positions are entered a bit too much, but if I can go as it goes, it goes. So what I was actually saying is that I'm still checking the trade. So now what we are currently doing, we are not yet in New York section. The New York section will soon be opened. New York section will soon be opened, but we just choose to just catch some of this because I'm going out later today, so I just want to just make sure you guys eat something from the market before the weekend comes. So we're currently in about 27, 24, 25 dollars is fluctuating. It's really fluctuating. This market is really joking. This market is joking with me. It's showing me like it wants to move up, but all good, all good, all good. We are here. I'm going to be seeing everything we're doing. Seeing everything we're doing. Oh, account is blown. So account is gone, but all good because I know it will go down, but I know that I know it will go down, but let me see. I want to try to find this thing. Let me see whether I can just play with this one. Because I know it will surely go down. But I'm not entering much now because if we enter much, we don't know what could happen. So we'll just enter for this few. So we're in again. We're in again. Let's see how this one will go. So everything you need to know, like before you enter a trade, you got to look for your key levels, key confirmations before entering a trade, because if you don't look for your key zone, key confirmation, you got to use. But me, I use a Fibonacci to just make sure I'm get my reasons, my weak confluences, because I use like 4 of our confluences to catch my trade, to make sure that okay, my trade is on an accurate point. My trade is on an accurate point, but nevertheless, we'll still surely kill the market today. By next week, I'm not going to teach you guys anything today. By next week, I'll be giving you guys back-to-back educational videos on how to excel in this financial market, because to this week I'm not really reading too strong, so I'll just leave with the educational stuffs for next week. But today is mainly on this XAUSD. We must surely kill this market today, for sure. We must surely kill this market today. So you guys should just must surely kill this market today. We must surely kill this market today, no matter what. ah. XAUSD. XAUSD. I'm mixing the account. It's like it broken that zone. Let me check. That's when I told you guys about. Oh, it's at the zone. Okay, it's not yet at the zone yet. It must push down, you must push down. You're not going anywhere. You're not come down. This run from here, this evolution for me, this buy position, we caught it actually yesterday. We caught this thing yesterday. Because this thing, okay, it was today. Sorry, it was not this formation. But I know we caught one yesterday. Okay, first when our griffin playing out, show you guys. They don't burn you and not come down. No burn you will not come down. You must come down. You must. This bread that God started giving is big. Oh. Big. We're not yet in profit. What's up? Gold Baba. What's up? Gold Baba. What's up? Gold King. What's up? Gold Emperor. What's up? Gold Beast. What's up? This bread. Okay, so let me just say something first for the thing reaches here. I'm looking at it. If the thing reaches, if this cell reaches this zone, price might react to it. So we might come out from here, or might still hold it. Let's just see. $13, 14. Nice. Don't go up. Don't annoy me. Where are you going to? 17, 23. Just go down to this zone. Yeah, okay. The girls about like $30, $40. No, now. This is what good is to do me. Good like breaking my heart. This peer like breaking my heart. This peer like breaking my heart. This peer like breaking my heart, but nonetheless, we will still hold you. The new section will open. Now it's already 1 o'clock. So next section will soon be open. So maybe that's why this momentum of madness is happening. This momentum of madness is happening. So good like playing around. Seriously. But it's not with me to play. XAUSD. Yeah, see the one we caught yesterday. See the one we caught yesterday. This. It made me and my team, my boss, saw this formation. We knew that this rally must go up, so we took the buy from here. We made about like that was the trade that took me from 1k to 4k yesterday. That was the thing, the analysis we did. So we are currently in profit. So I was advise you guys to take partials. Take partials. Take partials. Take partials. Take partials. Take partials. Now you take partials. Let me close out some positions in your front. And let's leave this. Let's close out the big ones. We don't do cho here. We show workings. You understand that? We don't do cho. Then leave like 2 open. We don't do cho here. We show. Let's close out from this one. If I see a funny movement, my profit will not go. We don't do cho here. We show workings. Show working. I want it to enter $10 in your close out. Go back to 9. Oh. Go back to 9. Good. Where are you going to now? Where are you going to? Where I carry my profit 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 to? Good. Where I carry my profit to? We don't do cho. We show workings. Good. Where I carry my profit to now? If you make me, let me see what's going on first. Okay, 20k, 20k. I said 20k, $20. 20k, too much. I enter my mouth. Smooth. So I'll give you one position open. Measures. We don't do cho. We show workings. It's entered like about like 70 or 80 now. But nowadays I'm out. I made about going to close up very soon. I hope you guys are seeing this about like $18, 19. It's still fluctuating, but I'm still hoping for more. So this is what I told you guys that about what I said. What I told you guys that we're looking at sales more, and right in your eyes, we caught the sell position. Then we are also closing out with profit, but I'll be closing out very soon. I don't know why not close at that point. Oh, this boy, Denny. So we're closing out at 60. Okay, wow. So we got to position your eye and close out your eye. So I'll catch you guys next week, guys. Thank you. Thank you. God bless. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Still guy 24x. Thank you guys.